Can you imagine a world where nations collaborate, setting aside their differences to harness the power of artificial intelligence responsibly? A future where international cooperation in AI safety is not just a pipe dream, but a reality. Welcome to a glimpse of that future. In the recent past, a remarkable shift in global AI dynamics was witnessed. President Joe Biden, who had earlier signed an executive order prohibiting American investments in sensitive technologies in China, announced a change in course. The United States signaled a rapprochement, agreeing to work hand-in-hand with Beijing on safely deploying AI systems. This unexpected turn of events occurred less than 6 months after the executive order, demonstrating the crucial role AI plays in our world today. The rapid progression in AI technology has, without a doubt, triggered global concern, prompting this change in approach from Washington. China, a nation with a declared intent to become the global leader in AI by the end of this decade, welcomed this olive branch. They joined other countries in signing the Bletchley Declaration on evolving standards for AI. The US and Chinese AI research ecosystems, deeply intertwined, stood to gain immensely from this alignment. The ripple effects of this US-China consensus are far-reaching. Other geographies, including India, are closely watching this development. India desires to follow a similar approach to AI development and regulation as the US and Europe. This new US-China consensus on tech development and regulation could provide a beneficial template for India, and potentially for other nations as well. This international cooperation in AI safety could herald a new era of technological advancement, where nations work together to ensure the safe and responsible deployment of AI. But the road to this future is long and fraught with challenges. The world watches with bated breath as these superpowers navigate the complex landscape of AI safety and regulation. The journey has just begun, and there's so much more to explore and understand. To stay updated on the latest developments in AI, science, technology, space, history, research, and much more, subscribe to this channel. Like and share this video to spread the knowledge, because remember, knowledge is power. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and your mind open.